So there's the two solar panels. Wires come in the door, up to there, and right there. Then they're just clamped on. These things within about 10 or 15 seconds are really hot. I mean, they're just pouring the heat off already. It's amazing how fast those things get hot. And then you just drop the brick on. Sweet. 422, 216. That's top end right there. That's about as high as it's going to go. 420, 422. Let's drop this back on. Not like that. Now you just wait. Wait and let it heat up the bricks. After half an hour, 45 minutes, an hour, the heat will just be pouring off of those. Can't really touch those anymore without the gloves. The fan's actually grabbing the heat and blowing it out into the room, even that far away. It's all good with the wood, by the way. The bottom of the brick's not going to get anywhere near the flash point of fire. That'd be 451 Fahrenheit. It won't even get near 400, be about 350 tops. Alright, so that's the deal. Heat's just pouring off of there now. It's been an hour. Got the full sun outside. It's just cranking away. If you don't have the sun, you can use a battery, 12 volter if you want. Again, those little PTC ceramic heating elements get super hot within just seconds, so be careful.